Hello everyone. Our today's topic is procedures in logo. A procedure is a group of logo statements which are used to perform a task. Once a procedure has been created, it can be used just the way a built-in command is used. Procedures can be executed by typing their name as we use other logo commands. For creating a procedure, first of all you have to type two keywords in a commander input box. After that, you have to give a name for your procedure. Suppose you want to create a procedure for drawing a square, you can give a name for your procedure square. Then you have to click on the execute button, or you can press enter key from your keyboard. After pressing execute button, you can see this type of input box will open. You have to write your all logo commands related to drawing a square in this input box. So you have to write ft space 100, enter, rt space 90, enter, ft space 100, enter, rt space 90, enter, ft space 100, enter, rt space 90, enter, ft space 100, enter. After typing your all commands to draw a square, you have to type end keyword. It means your procedures have ended here. So then click on OK button. You can see here in the commander window your procedure has defined. After that, you have to save your procedure. For saving your procedure, you have to click on File menu. Here in a File menu, there is option Save As. When you will click on the Save As button, then your Save As box will open. Here in the front of file name, in a text box, you have to give name for your file. Suppose ABC. By default, the extension of your logo file is .lgo. You can see here in this text box, logo files .lgo. After that, you have to click on Save button. Now your logo procedure has saved. It is very important to save your logo procedure, otherwise you cannot use this procedure later on. Then next thing is your editing a procedure. You can edit your procedure after creating. For editing, you have to click on eDAL button. You can see your eDAL button here. When you will click on eDAL button, your editor window will open. So you can see your all commands related to drawing a square here in editor window. If you want to make any changes in your commands, you can make here. After making changes, you have to click on here File menu, then Save and Exit. Your next thing is executing a procedure. It is very easy to execute a procedure. For executing a procedure, just type the name of your procedure. Our procedure's name was square. Then click on execute button or press enter key from your keyboard. Now you can see on the screen here your square has drawn. So I hope how to create a procedure, saving a procedure, and executing a procedure is clear to you. Your next thing is this: you can also erase your procedure. For erasing a procedure, you have to click on File menu. Here you can see here is a erase option. Click on erase option. Then your erase procedure window will open. So choose your procedure which you want to erase. Then click on OK button. So now your procedure has erased. So I hope all topics are clear to you. Okay, bye bye and thank you.